people under the scanner, not taking names, but we are told that a top Bollywood producer is being investigated. I repeat, top Bollywood producer is being investigated, Atul.
Well, they have made a list of more than 35 people. Their names have been cropped up during the course of investigation. Producer, director, and more people, the male actors, are also on the radar of NCB officers. But I will again repeat that NCB officer wants to make sure that before summoning anyone, be it Deepika Padukone or be it any male actor, they want to gather evidences against them, such as the circumstantial evidences, such as the electronic evidences, the testimonies, the prosecution witness, and if possible, the CCTV footage, so that their presence of where the crime was being committed could be, made before the court. And that is why the NCB is, taking no stone unturned. Before summoning anyone, they are first collecting the evidences and they are summoning them. They have made a list of more than 35 people. They all have been connected to the Bollywood. They are the producer, directors, and male actors. As of now, no male actor have been summoned by the NCB. But yes, when I was speaking to my sources who are very privy to the investigation, they have confirmed me that names of few actors have been cropped up during the course of investigation. But since, as of now, the evidences against them are not crucial, they are not, the NCB officer are not summoning them. First, Deepika Padukone has been summoned, and apart from Deepika Padukone, there are 7 other people who have been summoned, and they will have to appear before the NCB team, and they will have to record their statement in coming 3 days. And what they will be confronted with? They will be confronted with the other co-accused who are Jaya Saha. As of now, she is undergoing, the questioning, Dhruv and Madhu Mantena. And apart from this, they will be shown to the, Niranjan.
Stay with me. Rima is also joining us live. There are 5 or 6 parts of, the breaking news updates that we're getting here on Prime Time on Republic TV. Suesha, Rima, Atul. Breaking news number 1. Deepika, Sara, Shraddha, Karishma, Rakul Preet have been summoned. Deepika, Rakul Preet, Sara, Shraddha Kapoor summoned. Deepika is in a legal huddle with 12-member legal team. 12-member legal team. Breaking news update 3. Ranveer Singh has also joined the video call on the legal options for Deepika Padukone. And breaking update 4 on Republic TV that a top Bollywood producer is also being investigated. Not giving out names yet, but a top Bollywood producer is also being investigated right now. Breaking news update 5. Enforcement Directorate is looking at the Quon ownership. I repeat, Enforcement Directorate is looking and investigating the Quon ownership. 6 breaking news updates. The channel that's keeping you ahead in the Sushant Singh Rajput investigation and the fallout of the entire Sushant Singh Rajput investigation. Many people also asking what happens to the Sushant Singh Rajput case? What happened to that story? Well, the CBI is meeting AIIMS in a few days from now. And Republic TV is right on top of that story. Let me go across to Rima as well. Rima, हमें ये भी जानकारी आ रही है, by the way, that's breaking news update number 7, that a few male actors will be summoned next. Top male actors. Now, that's the only update that we have from our sources. That's the only hint that our sources give us, that top male actors will be summoned. 7 breaking news updates, Rima. The story is moving really, really fast. Okay, let me put that question to Atul. Atul will also be able to tell us, but I think, Suesha, if you look at the manner in which the story has unfolded and how it has, progressed in the last 14 days, especially in the last 14 days, I think it becomes very critical. Started with Riya Chakrabarti being under scanner, her arrest, Jaya Saha being interrogated, Jaya Saha, and then Sara Ali Khan's name emerges after Riya reportedly names her in the investigation. Through Jaya Saha, the chats with Shraddha Kapoor, Namrata, and chats also with Deepika Padukone. And now we are told that top Bollywood producers will also be investigated. And this is the breaking news update that we're getting. Top male actors will also be summoned. And I think that we're sitting on the tip of the iceberg. Tip of the iceberg. Why is this critical? Many people asking why, it's such a small thing, right? Because it's not related to the Sushant Singh Rajput case. That's not true. This is the tip of the iceberg. We're also looking at the terror angle. The NIA has also been given special powers to investigate cases relating to narcotic substances. So all of this is adding up. It's part of the larger story. And I think that's why it's critical. Let me see if Rima's audio is back. and we'll go across to her. Atul is outside the Narcotics Control Bureau office. Atul is outside Narcotics Control Bureau office getting us the update. We'll go across to Rima as well. Rima back with us. Rima, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ रही है अभी, getting more and more names. We won't, we're not taking names, but certainly ये तो जानकारी confirmed है अभी कि और सारे actors को बुलाया दिया गया है. Okay, Atul can take that question.
Niranjan, I would like to tell that as I earlier told, that narcotic control bureaus have made a list of 35 people, and they are not confirming the names, but the sources privy to the investigations have revealed that they are male actors, director, producer, and writer as well, whose name have been cropped up during the course of investigation when they were, probing the drug cartel. Today, 6 persons have been summoned, Deepika and other day, and also this NCB officer are confirming me that they have spoken to them on phone, and they have told them that you have been summoned, and the summon will be physically given to them in a day or two, but they will have to appear before the NCB office to join the investigation. They have to call them because they when the NCB officer came to know that Deepika is not at
News
home.
on Republic TV, breaking news.